Shedding light on, cast light on, an English phrase explainer. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cast light on. This phrase is often used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you in both your written and spoken English. Let's dive in. Cast light on is a metaphorical phrase used to describe the act of making something less confusing or more clear. When you cast light on something, it's like shining a light in a dark room, revealing what was hidden or unclear. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literal illumination to figurative clarification in discussions or explanations. Let's see some examples to understand how cast light on is used in sentences. 1. In investigations, the newly found evidence casts light on the mystery of the missing painting. 2. In academic discussions, her research casts light on the impact of climate change on coastal ecosystems. 3. In everyday conversations, could you cast light on your plan for the weekend? These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios to indicate providing clarity or understanding. It's important to note that cast light on should not be confused with literal illumination only. It's primarily used in a figurative sense. Also, it's often used in more formal or academic contexts, so be mindful of the setting in which you use it. There are similar phrases like shed light on or throw light on. These phrases are often used interchangeably with cast light on and carry the same meaning of revealing or clarifying something. I hope this video has cast light on the meaning and usage of cast light on. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations or writings. See you in our next video, and happy learning!